yeah, starting the day.
We're gonna take it for testing.
We got the sparklers put into the Dodge Challenger.
Keep asking me to turn the TV. Age cars. It'd be nice, you know, my wife will give her.
Hopefully you like the new intro. Oh, camera's dirty. Hold on. We are back in the shop today. We're working on the 2008 Dodge Charger that we need to put a radiator and a thermostat in. We got the new radiator in from China. Oh well. And the new thermostat. Oh we. What I like about this one, it does have the hole for the relief valve. That little bitty hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up and let's do a time lapse, because I'm first gonna run down of what we're gonna have to pull to get to this stuff. Because first we got to pull the air box. We're gonna pull the front bumper just to get to the radiator, because there's 4 bolts on the back side that holds the condenser on. So we're gonna pull the front bumper, get the radiator out, the fans, air box completely out, because the thermostat is down there instead of being right here on a typical car. It's down there on this 2.7. The 2.7 is the worst motor I think Dodge did. Most extended warranties won't even cover the 2.7 because they have so many problems. So let's get the camera set up and let's get working. Okay, update. I'm quite dirty. We got the thermostat put in, got the radiator put in. Now it's time to get everything bolted back up, because I had to move the AC compressor, the power steering, just to get to the thermostat. 2.7s, come on. Lets me know in life when somebody says I need a thermostat in 2.7, labor rate just said whoop. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up another time lapse and hopefully getting this back together. Well, we got it all back together. It's running. Now we got to do the whole warm up, thermostat, open. So we'll warm it up and hopefully see no leaks and hopefully this thing doesn't overheat. Alright, so we just got back from the test drive from the Dodge Charger. It's not overheating anymore. Temperature staying about midway where it needs to be, so hopefully I won't see that car no more, even though it's right there waiting for pickup. That has been my thorn in my side, my Achilles heel, whatever you want to say. So, but remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I got some videos popping up. Check them out if you haven't seen them already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Alright, hopefully we'll say goodbye to that and work on the next project because I got a couple more coming.